Alright, new arrival. Amazon. It takes 2 days, but it is worth waiting. I think the new tool thing. See that? With the guy here? Oh, it looks so big because it's 8 inches clamp from Amazon per grade. Sell and sold by Amazon. I suppose from Amazon are those good things. Okay, let me take it out. Take it away. So, this is quite heavy. It's iron. Yeah, it feels cast iron gray. Cast iron feeling. I like the color. I like it. The quality is good, but I'm not sure it is really a good thing. But now here it's a bit off the side. You see? It's not in the middle. Why? Well, let's check it out. You can do that. Screw it. It's quite heavy. My hand starts shaking now if I'm holding it for too long. Okay, I'm gonna try this. This is a spoon I'm making halfway. Yeah. Well, you see my work later on. Yeah. It's so rough, but if you see the finished product, you might impress. Okay, when I work, tighten it. It is uneven. You see that? It is uneven. Yeah, and the uneven place is harder for a normal clamp. For this one, I'm not sure. Let me see. Alright. Tighten it up. Wow, you could break this spoon. Oh my goodness. It's not moving at all, right? It's not the greatest pressure, but wow, it looks so tight. You can't move it. You see? If I use it harder, that will break the whole spoon. So the clamp, well, you test it out. I mean, only one could do the whole job. I bought the other one, you know, let me retry, show you later. That one is also from Amazon, but not the iron one. So it broke very easily.